Alright, it's the next day. Here we go. We're still working on the 84 Vette. And today we're going to change the front spoiler. I have a replacement one here. Front ear dam, I should say. Even came with the hardware. Nice. Now I was already looking underneath here. And let's take a look here. Alright. General Motor in its finest. We have Torx bits. We have regular nuts. And there we go. So, looks like I got to pull all these off. Go around here. And these are 3 separate pieces. Yeah, so we're going to get all this done today. Yeah, I think we'll be alright. Yeah, so let me get this off. And we'll go from there. Shouldn't be that bad of a job. Looks pretty easy, actually. Oh, it looks like there's bolts up here, too.
When you choose LeClaire Heating and Air Conditioning, you're choosing a
there we go.
reliable company with over 35 years of experience.
Maybe, maybe not. I don't know. This one looks like it's going to be fun.
Get ready for winter. Make sure
it's right underneath here.
Call LeClaire today. 203-735.
That one's over here.
They also deliver.
Okay, well, so I got a little bit of work here. Let's get on this. Get this done today. And I think we're doing good. Alrighty, so I'll be back. Bye. Alright guys, I just wanted to make a quick update here. What I found out is these are 2-sided bolts, those Torx bits. So I had to pull this ball out right here. This sits here, there's 2 bolts here. One here, and this just pops right out. I just vacuumed all this out. We had a ton of acorns in here, yeah. So you got a bolt here. Let's see. Let's get close-ups on this stuff so you know. So you got bolts there. There's one under this wiring mess here. Then there's 2 more over here, and there's one in this corner over here. So yeah, that's how this is gonna go. Yep, and the other side's over here. Let me just show you this side real quick. And well, I wanted to see what size Torx head this was. This is a... I can't read it, it's too small. Anyways, it's a smaller one, so we'll leave it at that. See if Lou D can read it while I show up over here. Alright, here we go. You got more bolts in here. And that's it. So as far as the regular bolts on this thing, they were a size. Let's take a look here. 932. So these were 932s. And this is, none of us can read it.
It says 127.
Anyways, there you go. So it's a small one. Alright, so now I got some help up here. You're going to need someone up here to hold the bolt up here. Or someone's underneath there loosening them up. So, yeah, let me get on it and we'll get this done. Bye. Alright, we finally got her all done. I'm going to say this was a pain in the butt to do. This definitely, you needed 2 people with this. What do you think, Lou? Not fun?
It was alright.
It was alright, I guess. I've done a lot worse jobs, but yeah. It's not. I was thinking this was going to be super easy to do. And it realistically is. But I guess when you're dealing with an older car, what do you call it? You're going to run into issues like we did. So here goes the old ones. This was shot right here. And here we go, right here. These things are flimsy. It's like rubber now. That's how old they are. All right, let's take a look underneath here. Let me just... We got this lined up as best we could. These are a lot bigger than the stock ones that were on here. So otherwise, yeah, fits pretty good. This right here, mine must be broken or something.
It's bent.
It's bent. Yeah. I'm missing bolts right here. Bring that up. This side has it. But we're gonna leave it at that. What I liked about this kit was, this was a real pain in the neck to get these Torx bits off here. Figure it here, now you gotta fit a ratchet with the Torx bit to try to take it out of here. It's just not gonna happen. So with this kit, I would highly recommend, if you're gonna do this, buy the kit that comes with the hardware. Because now you could use a wrench right here. Sits right on. 10mm wrench on this side, 10mm socket on the back here. And that's it. Easy peasy to put back on. Taking it off was a pain in the neck because of the hex heads. But it's all on there. Yeah, we even used the factory metal sills that came with this. And that's it. All done. So, yeah. So if you're going to do this, not too bad of a job. All right, then. It's a pain, but it's easy at the same time, if that makes sense. Right? Mm-hmm. Yeah. All right, so we'll leave it at that. We got a special treat. Lou D bought a Corvette out here, so let's go take a look at this. So hold on. All right, here. We got Lou D showing up here. He's got a fancy Vette. He's got an 86 with a tune port in it. And I really like this white and red. I actually like the white and red better than the black on black like I have. Tune port injected. We're about to do a tune-up to it. He got plugs, cap rotor, plugs, wires. Has 100,000 miles on it. She's good. Nice tires. It's an automatic. You think Lou started up? Yeah, not bad at all. Runs good, really good. Yeah, so we're gonna tune it up, make her nice. He has the updated rear on the back of this. This is an 86, but he has like a 90, was it 92, 93 tail on it, or newer. He has a newer one. His rims are in excellent shape on this. Yeah, so that's it. That's Lou D's. This is the one that's lurking around my house after midnight doing burnouts, which I don't mind, to be honest with you. I kind of like that. So yeah, that's it. All right, we'll end this video here. It's long enough. And next project on the old 84 right here. We're gonna cut open and we're gonna create the what do you call it on the front here? The ram air. We'll get that done. I'll do that tomorrow. A couple easy little jobs and that's it, you know. Then after that, we'll get on to either the headlights, the cooling system, or we'll do the full tune-up on this. We'll see how she goes. I have mesh for this. I found some in my garage back at home. The problem is I don't have any molding edging to go around the cutout once I cut it out. So I'm probably gonna have to order some of that. All right, so yeah, we're gonna leave this video at that, and yeah, we'll see you guys later. Bye-bye. Come on, Lou, give it a rev. right, Lou. We'll check you out later. And there goes Lou.